Hello everyone, I'm Jackie. Today's topic for sharing is function of ping. It's a necessary function to know for network engineers. If you want to know whether can access the internet, you need to use ping. In other words, we will bring up CMD command lines in the entire system and use ping for testing. Ping is essentially sending packets and waiting for a response. For example, to check if you can access internet, you would enter google.com. This will send data packets to Google. If we receive a response from Google, it means the connection is successful and you can access the internet. In our work, we often use ping to test connectivity between devices. Okay, that's all for our sharing today. If you have any other question, please leave a comment below and subscribe my channel. See you next time, buddy.